Hey everybody, it's Jared Blazer. We're back again with Blazer Outdoors. I've not fished in a couple of weeks and it is driving me insane. So with the recent thunderstorms that we've had the past couple of days, we're getting some rain off of them, and the stream reports are saying that the streams in the park are a little above normal level for this time of year. So I don't know, they may have already gone back down by now, but I'm hoping that it has lowered the water temps a little bit, kind of got the fish fired up a little more. So we're going to try it today. I'm going to fish a stretch of a stream that I've not fished yet this year. It's usually a really good stretch, but first things first, whenever I get there, I'm going to take a water temp, and if the water temperature's too high, I don't know, we may end up going back to the house. But I'd really like to fish today if I could. I just don't want to stress the fish out. Water temp's really important, so that's first priority. But if the temperature and everything's looking good, then we're going to try to get on some fish today. So stick around. So I'm fishing a single nymph rig. I just don't feel like a double nymph rig is necessary, so I just got on a single little pheasant tail with a silver tungsten bead, and I believe that should be plenty for the water. Little guy, didn't take long. Pretty little rainbow. Fish the head of this run here. Oh, there's one right where I was just fishing at, and I missed him. See if we can replicate that and get him to hit again. One. Came off. Quick release, that's okay. I'm so out of shape, it's not even funny. So this looks really good. There's actually a lot more water here than what I thought there would be. Might actually need to go to a double nymph rig, but we'll see. I'm gonna try the single first. see what we can do with it. And then if I don't think I'm getting down deep enough, then I will move to a double. Alright, so I'm going to reposition. I'm having a hard time seeing my sider because of this huge glare on the water. So I'm going to reposition around here to the right. I'm going to tie on a second nymph for some extra weight and see if I can't get a vertical drift coming down this run. Okay, so we've got 2 nymphs on now. I think this is a lot better position to fish this run. I got rid of the glare, so I'm going to be able to see my sider perfect now. I can already see a huge rock right here in the very bottom, in the middle of it. So if I can get a drift right close to that rock, I'm thinking that's probably where they're going to be. One hit right here in front of me, almost at my feet. One. Nice little wild rainbow. Pretty fish. Really pretty. So back in the truck on the way home. Wasn't a terrible evening. Got to wet a line, got to wet my feet, netted a couple of little fish. I think I had another one on, missed a few more, but you know, I've had worse days. It's nice to get out. One thing that I got coming up is I actually got a new pack, and it's an Orvis Guide Sling Pack. My chest pack just did not have enough room in it since I started filming these little fishing trips. Well, then I did not have enough room for fly boxes and truck keys and wallet and camera batteries and mounts and all that fun stuff. So I went with a bigger pack. Like I said, got the Orvis Guide Sling Pack. Had it out a few times now. Really like it. I'm probably going to do a full video review on that, so keep your eyes out for that. And as always, if you have not subscribed to the channel yet, well then don't forget to do that. Helps me out a whole lot. Also, if you like the videos, well then give them a thumbs up, comment below. I really appreciate you watching. Thanks.